Do you want to leave all the troubles of last year's school year behind you and start fresh? How should you do it? Then keep on watching this video till the end. Let's begin. Number 1. You can just leave all your troubles, bad grades, grudges, enemies or fights behind. Resolve that this is a fresh brand new school year. Number 2. Go school shopping for your school supplies. You will need a backpack, lunchbox, pencils, pens, paper, all the usual supplies. The more amusing your supplies are to you, the more you will love to take them out and do your homework or assignments. Number 3. Treat everyone equally with respect and dignity. Being warm and friendly to everyone at school is good exercise for the rest of your life. Say hi to your friends and to new people you recognize from classes. Number 4. Have a great relationship with your teacher. Don't be the teacher's pet. Just be you. Take notes in the class. Ask questions. Teachers love it when you do this. Tip number 5. If you want to get top grades, then you can develop a strict study routine and prepare a timetable for yourself. Go to class every day and take it seriously. Also make sure to complete any homework, assignments, projects in the right time and never procrastinate. Number 6. Join after school clubs or activities if they have any at your school, such as sports, dance classes, swimming, scouts, music classes, etc. Not only you will be doing something you love, you will have a lot of new friends. Number 7. Have good and yummy tasty nutritious lunches this year. Be healthy and fit. So these were some tools to make your academic year great. If you found this video helpful, then please share it with your friends. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.